Hello, my dear student of class 10. Good evening to all of you. I'm your Sandhya ma'am, and today we are just going to start our first chapter of first flight. Okay. Yesterday I given you the homework, these question. I hope all of you have done it, and some of the student have sent me. And yesterday also I have asked that all of you have book. If you have book, then you will be lead this easily, and if you don't have book, then I'll be provide you the answer and PDF and some of the important material relate to this chapter. Clear? So today we will discuss about these questions. Firstly, I will give you get this meaning of this question, what is the writer trying to ask. Okay, and then firstly you have to understand this question, then you have to give the answer, because this question is easy and very important for your examination. So let us start the first question. Who does Lancho have complete faith in, and which sentence in the story tell you this? Clear? Means what does Lancho have complete faith in? Lancho का विश्वास सबसे ज़्यादा किस में था? ठीक है? And which sentence in the story tell you this? और आपके इस स्टोरी में एक लाइन और एक सेंटेंस दिया हुआ है जो कि ये क्लियर और ये कह सकते हैं डिक्लेयर कर देता है कि this things means the deep faith towards God has been declared. So you have to search these lines from your book. Okay. So I hope all of you have got the first question. लैंचो का विश्वास किस में था सबसे ज़्यादा, और इस स्टोरी में, इस कहानी में वो कौन सी लाइन है जो इस बात की पुष्टि कर देती है? क्लियर बेटा? ओके, सो प्रोसीड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Why does the postmaster send money to Lancho, and why does he sign the letter God? मीन्स पोस्टमास्टर ने लेंचो को मनी क्यों सेंड किया, उसने क्यों उसको पैसा भेजा, एंड वाई डज ही साइन द लेटर गॉड, और उसने लेटर लिखने के टाइम जो उसने लेंचो को लेटर भेजा था, देखिए दैट, तो उसने वहाँ पे अपना साइन ना करके बल्कि गॉड का साइन क्यों किया? क्लियर? वाई ही साइन द गॉड, नॉट हिम. ओके, सो यू हैव टू टेल दिस. The third question is, did Lancho try to find out who had sent the money to him? क्या लैंचो ने ये कोशिश की जानने की कि उसको पैसा किसने भेजा था? Why? ऐसा क्यों? और अगर नहीं आंसर मिलता है तो उसका रीज़न क्या था? Why not? Means did Lancho try to find out who had sent the money to him? Why and why not? If you are agree, then you have to give the reason why, and if you don't agree, then you have to give why not. Okay, so this is the today's task, because the last question is too long and it is discussed in later, or we can say now. Did Lancho try to find out? Okay, it is done. Who does Lancho thinks has taken the rest of the money, and what is the irony in the situation? Remember that the irony of the situation is that unexpected aspect of it. An ironic situation is stranger or amusing. Amusing means you can say which is provide us the surprise, because it is the opposite of what it expected. Beta, in video I have told you that there are three elements. First is the ironical things. Ironical means which is very different, means in starting you will find something different from end. स्टार्टिंग में आपको कुछ और मिलता है, एंड में कुछ और मिलता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड आयरॉनिकल थिंग्स. ओके, इन स्टार्टिंग द लैंचो वाज कंप्लेनिंग टू द गॉड, सॉरी रिक्वेस्टिंग फॉर द गॉड, he want to and he required to money, but at the last he is complaining to the god. So that was the conflicting showing that. Okay, so you have to tell me that ki what was the reason behind it, and can we agree with this? Then ironical things and ironical situation, is that given in this story or not, and what was the cause behind it? If you have got this, then you have to give the answer of fourth question, otherwise I will lead it in later. Okay, except this you have to lead the three questions. Okay, so it is today's task and you have to complete it, and then we will lead further. Okay dear, do it.